metrology is really essential part to develop any QI system in the country. Model proposed by the authors is really a good indicator to understand the role of metrology and different other factors for the development of a QI. I wish this newly ranking through GQI index would be act as a reference for various policymaker and stakeholder and contributes towards uh, to further development and better implementation of the government policies in their countries. Thank you so much. It's really a great pleasure to say something about quality infrastructure in a meteorological perspective view. Uh, it is clearly mentioned in a sustainable development goal that build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive growth, and sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. So, in this direction, each and every country has their own quality infrastructure. So, which is basically relies on the metrology standards, accreditation, and conformity assessment. So in India, recently, Dr. D.K. Aswal, ex-director, National Physical Laboratory, has introduced one model known as Aswal model, which he indicates that the metrology is really essential part to develop any QI system in the country. So metrology act as a core pillar or act as an invisible force to associate the documentary standards, accreditation, and conformity assessment, facilitate to strong interaction among the government agencies, universities, and academic institutions, science and technology institutions, and civic society, media, and industries for the comprehensive development and inclusive growth of any country for the improvement of the quality of life. So if I'm talking about the metrology perspective view, BIPM is a main organization works under the supervision of CIPM, and the metrological traceability is properly maintained in all measurement, which is implementation of metrology of at SI level is the responsibility of all the National Metrology Institute, like in India, CSIR, National Physical Laboratories, NMI of the country. And this NMI Institute is act like a pyramid like structure, networking all the stakeholders through unbroken chain of traceability. So I must say, therefore, the absence of any improper or we can say uh, improper traceability in measurement results is not only create misunderstanding between the stakeholder, but also the create the negative impact on the financial system or economic growth of any of the country. So the model proposed by the authors is really a good indicator to understand the role of metrology and different other factors for the development of a QI. So I I I I I pleased to congratulate to the authors. They have taken 184 countries data, which is really a great contribution. And they have generated one feature related to the visual representation of QI countries, which is really remarkable. So in the metrology perspective view, they have considered 5 indicators for the metrological parts. Now they have quite a modified that this particular formula as compared to a study of 2011 and 2019. They have included the regional metrology bodies as well as the membership of CIPM, and they have included the coverage area of the calibration and measurement capabilities. So I must say this kind of things is really essential to improve the quality infrastructure. I wish this newly ranking through GQI index would be act as a reference for various policymaker and stakeholder and contributes towards uh, to further development and better implementation of the government policies in their countries. Thank you so much.